afternoon. Welcome. This is Waec year 2020 test of oral English past question. Question number 24. I'm using the same instruction to answer this question, looking out for the word that contains the same consonantal sound as in the given word, particularly the underlined letter. The underlined letter in this word is W, the one we call W, and it is pronounced as swine. So the letter W is not silent in this word. Option A is pronounced as one. The an sound, which is vowel number 12, replaced the letter N in the transcription, while option B is pronounced as new. Option C is pronounced as ne. Remember that I've told us that there's nothing like no in English. That is O sound. That's not like O sound in English. So this word is pronounced as near. N sound, near, with O sound. That gives us what we call diphthong. The option C is pronounced as sin. So we have long A in this. So by this transcription, we find out that the O sound in the word one is phoneticized with the sound with the letter called W, which is W. So, and in the given word, we also have the consonant W sound, and in option A, we also have this W sound, and that's why this word is pronounced as one. So the sound that allows us to translate the N to an sound is the W sound. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.